Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Blee Tech Decoded. I'm Andy.
Hey, I'm Mike.
Mike, weren't we just talking about Aradcon's MN52H module breaking 2 kilometers in the 125K long-range mode last time? That was an amazing feat of transmission distance.
Absolutely. That result set a new benchmark in the Bluetooth world. But Andy, Aradcon moves fast. They've already launched a new test report. The star is still the MN52H NRF52840 Bluetooth module, but this time they are targeting the 250K PHY mode.
That's right. And Mike, the 250K mode is another gold standard in IoT. The report specifically mentions its wide application in smart home devices, serving as the underlying physical layer for key protocols like Zigbee, Matter, and Thread. The practical value of this test is incredibly high.
Couldn't agree more. The goal this time was to complete the performance data for the MN52H module across all critical BLE physical layer modes. The testing environment was the same open beach, and it was still a module-to-module bidirectional test, with the TX power maintained at the maximum plus 8 dBm.
The focus of this test is to see the maximum range achievable by the 250K mode, which balances distance and improves transmission speed. Theoretically, this mode is faster than 125K, but its range should be slightly shorter than the speed-sacrificing 125K mode, right?
Theoretically, yes. That's why the results of this report are so intriguing. Let's reveal the conclusion directly. The maximum range of the 250K mode was highly consistent with the previous 125K long-range mode. Stable connection was maintained within the 2.2 to 2.3 kilometer range.
Hold on. That's not logical. That's the unreasonable result we talked about. Theoretically, 125K should go further. Yet the distances were nearly identical? There must be something suspicious going on.
Exactly. The test conclusions and observations section in the article reveals the secret. They found that all signal disconnections around the 2.2 kilometer mark occurred near several large wind turbines.
Whoa, wind turbines. Those are huge metal obstructions. That essentially turned the intended line of sight test into a blocked, non-ideal scenario.
Absolutely correct. Aradcon themselves admitted that these wind turbines were significant physical obstacles, preventing them from establishing a true LOS connection at the 2.2 kilometer point. This highlights a tough reality. The distance they measured is not the ultimate limit of the MN52H module in an ideal environment.
That is so exciting. This isn't a failure, it's a confirmation that the MN52H module has even more potential. What they need to do now is find a truly unobstructed testing location to eliminate this wind turbine obstacle.
Definitely. Aradcon has also committed that due to environmental limitations, the module's true maximum transmission range remains unquantified. They plan to continue searching for a more suitable site to challenge even greater distances in the future. This extreme challenge is far from over.
Speaking of challenges, the communication distance of the MN54L series modules is another eagerly anticipated focal point for everyone. According to reliable sources, this module series, which features Nordic's latest NRF54 LIC, is currently being rigorously tested. We believe Aradcon will release their practical test results soon, and we will prepare an episode immediately to share the findings with you.
And with that, we conclude our discussion. Thank you, Andy, for the excellent breakdown, and thank you all for tuning in. Finally, if you enjoyed our show, don't forget to hit like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.